What is atomic absorption spectroscopy? When the amount of radiation absorbed by an atomic species is measured, this form of spectroscopy is called as atomic absorption spectroscopy. What is flame emission spectroscopy? Flame emission spectroscopy is named because the use of flame to provide the energy of excitation to atoms introduced it into the flame. In this form of spectroscopy, the excitation source is flame. That's why this type of spectroscopy is called flame emission spectroscopy. This is a flame which is used as an excitation source. In this process, the atom goes into excited state by flame. The amount of radiation emitted by excited atom is measured. What is atomic flourescence spectroscopy? Atomic flourescence spectroscopy is the technique by which the amount of fluorescing radiation emitted by an atomic species is measured after excitation by radiation in the UV visible region. What is atomic emission spectroscopy? If we use electrical or inductively coupled plasma as an excitation source in atomic spectroscopy, then it is called as atomic emission spectroscopy. All these forms are different from each other by only excitation source. In any form of atomic spectroscopy, the sample must be in single atom. For this, it is usually necessary to convert the sample into gaseous state before going into analysis. Remember, in atomic fluorescence spectroscopy, the excitation source is UV visible region. In flame emission spectroscopy, the excitation source is flame. In flame emission spectroscopy, no radiation source is used. In atomic emission spectroscopy, electrical or inductively coupled plasma is used as excitation source.